Hello everyone, today I will talk about Canva. In Canva there are a lot of different designs and different features that you can use for your websites or YouTube channel or different social platforms. Okay, let's take a review of it. I'm a YouTuber, so I will use YouTube thumbnails or YouTube logo for your YouTube channel. Just search on YouTube. Now as you can see, there are a lot of options like channel art, display ad, YouTube icon, YouTube thumbnail, video ad. Okay, so let's click on YouTube thumbnail. There are a lot of templates in YouTube thumbnail. As you can see, there is music YouTube thumbnail, food YouTube thumbnail, beauty tutorials YouTube thumbnail, tutorial YouTube thumbnail. So you can use any thumbnail for your YouTube video. Okay, so if you have like my channel, tutorial thumbnail, click on it. Just select any thumbnail you like. Okay, so we selected social media revolution. One of the biggest advantage of using Canva is that you can change your thumbnail. You can put your picture in it. You can change your picture, you can change your text, even you can change your color scheme. Like this. And you can also change the format of your text. A lot of options, and you can use it for free. You don't have to pay, or you don't have to go for pro. Okay, so I will select Canva tutorial. And you can change your picture as well. Also there are a lot of free photos that you can use for your video thumbnail, like this. Okay, there are two options. Either you can paste this photo separately, or you can just adjust the photo. Okay, so now you can download it. The suggested format of downloading image is PNG. Click on it. Click on it, save file, and there it is. You can also try it for free for 30 days and you can unlock pro features of Canva. But also you can use a free version which is a watermark.